Hello guys, welcome to my Musical.ly tutorial. Today we're going to be doing some Musical.ly. But my sister Imogen isn't here yet, so I'm just gonna pause you guys and let's get back when she's here.
Yeah.
Hello, we are filming. So, today we are going to be doing a Musical.ly tutorial.
Are we?
Musical.ly.
On my phone.
Well, TikTok now.
Musical.ly.
You know, I installed TikTok on here.
Can you actually? Did you actually?
Yeah, I'll show you.
No,
Wait,
Darcy,
I'll
don't
show you
have-
later because
Okay,
like
so basically
we're filming right now.
Basically,
we're gonna
don't
be
mind
going-
my hair for the last
Basically,
time. Yeah, we explained in
we're
our
gonna be
last
going-
video why it's like this.
Ooh.
Can you get me some paper, a pen,
A pen,
your phone,
my phone,
and some tape?
and some tape.
Yeah.
We don't have any tape.
Okay, no tape.
And my phone, I do not know where it is. Nor do I know where my iPod is. So I'll just get you a paper and a pen. This is my time.
We're just gonna try and find a song, okay? Give us 2 minutes.
So the TikTok that we're chosen to do is called Survivor. You know that one that goes, I'm a survivor.
So what you're going to need your paper for and your pen. So you're basically just going to rip off a bit of the paper. How do you spell survivor, Darcy?
S-U-R.
S-U-R.
V-I-O-R. I think so.
V-I-O-R.
No, I spelt that wrong, but who cares?
How do you spell it?
I'll write it.
Make sure it's quite big.
Can you guys read that? It's a survivor.
And then you're just going to take this bit and you're going to crumple it and put it behind so you can put it in your mouth. It's not quite like that, but oh well. So you're going to go like this. I'll show you.
Like this.
Goes. And you put your hand there.
It's my turn to do the tutorial after this.
And then we're going to go over to the door. And we're going to go like that. And then we put it in that. And we're going to like go like that, but we're going to kick the door so it looks like we're yeah. That's good. And then we're going to go on to... I'm not going to give up.
I won't give up, no I won't give it till I reach. Comment down below if you know that song. Oh, she's over there now.
And we're going to go... And then we're going to go
Oh, she's moving again.
back here. Where's the pen gone?
I don't care. I don't know, and I don't care.
Okay, right. Darcy, give me the pen.
I don't really know where it is.
There it is.
Okay.
So we're going to write stop in our hand.
I'm not gonna stop.
Stop. So,
That doesn't say stop.
I know it doesn't. Can you write stop across my hand going that way?
Sure. Okay, guys, so welcome to my next
Oh,
tutorial.
shut up.
This is how to spell stop. So you start with an S. S. T. O. P. Oh, that's a store.
Darcy.
Store. Ew, now I have to wipe in your
Just do it.
I have to write in your spit. Stop.
That doesn't say stop. It says stir. The
Imogen,
P isn't
Imogen,
obvious.
Imogen. I'll put the P in then.
This is how sisters argue. We need to do that one for the next video.
What? How sisters argue?
Yeah.
That's not a very good idea, love.
It is. Then we're going to go Oh no, it's give. I'm not going. Can you write give on this side?
Should I write give up?
Yeah. And then.
I had to write a heart on her hand.
And then we're gonna go. Uh-oh. And we're gonna go. Oh no, that's too soon.
So this is how you do it musically / TikTok.
No, Darcy, turn the light off over there. So go over there. And when it goes, I'm gonna work hard. Turn the light off.
Say hard out loud.
Uh-oh, Darcy, I can see you, but like try like.
Okay, so should I go like that?
Yeah.
No, that'll fault the light.
No, it won't. Go harder. Good. No, I got you in it.
Okay, right. Let's see.
No, wait. Move.
Ready? Okay, guys, so... wait, we'll watch it before you guys because we're better. We'll pause it.
Oh. Ready, guys?
Okay, this is it. You can't really see the writing. So that was me turning on and off the light. Okay, right, now it's my tutorial. Give me the phone.
This is
Right, I need to
long
find
day.
one of mine.
No, you don't. You don't want to do another sound.
Okay. Have we paused?
I'm trying to get this ink off my hand, guys.
It's not playing. Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
it
it
is.
is. Yeah. Should I do our dance that we danced? Okay, I think I can remember it.
So, I'm going to film it for Darcy. Do you want me to put it in extra slow?
Yes, please. I can't remember it. How does it start?
And it goes...
And it went like this.
No.
Say. Right, this is a dance.
And it
that
went
we did.
like this. Say, oops, I've got 99 problems saying bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you want to go and stick around with me, better do it one more time. Yeah, that's...
Okay.
That's all I can remember. Ready? Set. Go. Oh yeah, it was
Dancing.
Wait, it was dancing on herd in the middle of the woods.
Dancing on
No,
the
it wasn't.
wood.
It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What was it?
Run, kick.
It was like that, wasn't
No,
it?
it wasn't. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's really
Like
easy.
that?
Yeah.
Like that.
No, Darcy, ready?
Okay.
Hey guys, you can see it whilst I'm filming it if you want. Oh wait, no. Darcy, stop laughing. Oh, I'll cut the video a bit because it's really long of you doing. Oh wait, no. I
It's
can't.
pretty long of you going.
Wait, okay, go back.
Sorry.
Right, do it like properly. Like try be
How do
like
you do it like
an actual dancer.
dancing on the
So you go. Hands on hip.
She actually does dancing.
You put one hand down. And you go dancing
Dancing.
on a herd in
On
a
a
minute.
herd.
You just got to get into the groove.
Like that.
Let your hips go a bit. because you're a bit stiff like this. You're going to go 1, 2...
Can't you do like this?
This jump.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the wood.
I'm going to hit this jump.
Okay, this half this video is just me going like this.
Okay. Ow, my head's got caught.
So it's, wasn't it dancing on the hood in the middle of the wood?
So it's...
Okay, I'll
dancing
try.
on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sing songs with all of our childhood friends.
And where they just say oops. Okay. I can't
get
kick very well, guys, so good at that. But
okay, ready?
I'll try like...
Try to get it straight. Ready? Don't bend down. You don't want to be like a chicken. Set. Go. Let your hips go, Darcy. Looser. No, Darcy, stop being silly.
I can't do
Do you want me to do it like this? Yes. Run back. And then I go into slow. Run. Ball change. Like this way. Oh,
I just got to the best
ready?
bit.
I told you to be looser. Good, should we post it?
Yeah, I should have.
Okay guys, ready? Watch this. Oh no. I'm posting it.
Okay, and it just got to the best bit.
Post.
Hold on, if you want to go check around with me, better hit me there one more time. Paint a picture of me. Singing at the top of our lungs. And then like we got on each other's backs and we were like, love. Okay. I think that's all we're going to do today because it's 12 minutes long.
Okay, bye guys. Bye. Mwah.